Let's start this lesson with different preset. I will choose this one. I will apply modification, some sort of modification. I will decrease its size, move its position. Let's say I will decrease this one and also this one. I will decrease its size to allow to apply different modification. I need to add different presets. I need to choose different presets at this section. So I will need a previously made letters and apply different shapes from the styles panel. Let's say I will choose this style. You need to select an object before choosing this style. Let's say I will apply a shape for this text. Let's say a different presets. I want to select text first, then apply presets for the text. It will apply the different presets for the color of the text core and the bevel color and the lights, the bevel edges and the texture. If you want different presets that's ready-made, you can apply it at just one click. You can choose this different presets, apply modification, or type in your text and then press the styles to apply modification accordingly. I will choose this preset like it's an effect of lighting. You can double click and type in your own text. Let's say I will type tutorial 23, hit OK. It will apply it to the same effect text you've made. Let's say I will choose this preset and move it like here, double click and type in. It will not disappear because it's a shape. It's a shape and I typed in a text inside of it. Let's say I will choose different style for the shape. It's a shape, not letter. It's a shape. You can choose different template for the shape or the text. Just make sure it's a shape or text. If it's text, just double click, it will be edited. And if it's a shape, you'll be edited from a different way. Let's say I will choose this different shapes, different one. Let's say I will change to this one. You see it's a group. You can ungroup it. Just double click and select ungroup. You can move each part alone. Let's say this, I move it. Let's say double click and press any text you want. Let's say demo. Okay. You see, you apply text inside of shape. Let's say I will choose this preset and let's say ungroup and double click and you can edit what's it typed inside. Let's say 23. You can move this away. You see it's two parts. You can delete this, you don't need it. See, you have different presets. You can apply modification for color of the shape, color of the text, bevels, text outline, the bevel of the text inside of the shape. If you type in a text inside, you can use this tool to increase the depth of the text inside of the shape, increase the size, increase the bevel of the shape itself, or increase the size of the shape as a core shape, increase the size of the shape that contains the text, or you can rotate it, you can change its color. And remember to add a new keyframe to save it. You can choose different presets from this style. This style allows you different effects for the shape and the text inside of it. Let's say I want to be transparent shape and opaque text inside of it. Let's say I want this shape to be transparent. Let's say I want it to be text only. Let's say the text and the shape. Let's say a text and shape and depth of the text. Let's say I want only the text and shape but with no depth. And the final one also apply the text only with the core line outside of the shape. Let's say I will choose different presets for the shape. Let's choose this one, move it. Let's choose different template, different shapes, different text. You can scroll down and choose whatever you like. Choose this one like this. I will move it. You can ungroup it and move it as a separate parts. Just select one part and move it, grab it and drag it away. Or you can double click and add your own text. Let's hit OK and move it. Move in a depth. Move this at this point. You can choose different frames like this frame, this one here. Move it up here. You can apply text effects. Effect the transparent cool, allow you text only. This is the direction, the opposite. This allow the text effect. You can try them all to be familiar with moving and applying different text effects. Let's say I will move this, apply text depth, increase the depth or decrease the depth. Let's apply effect on the shape, increase the text inside of the shape. Let's apply bevel, increase the bevel of the shape, increase the text or decrease it, or you can apply effect on the bevel of the shape. Then rotation, movement, increase the size, scale it, increase the depth of the shape, rotate it. That's all. I think that's all. Make sure to save your progress by pressing Ctrl S, and if a mistake happened by accident, press Ctrl Z to move step back. Use imagination in a project. Think about it in some different way in your daily life.